How you doing? This is Dave Johnson, the Grill Beast. I want to show you what you're going to get when you get your badass beast claws. So, look, obviously, comes in a kick-ass looking box here. Pop the box open. This one's pretty simple here. Just pop these out. Toss that away. Make sure you pay attention to the insert card. It's going to tell you how to get your free ebook with the ebook code. Okay? Also, a little note and a great recipe for, we have classic barbecue chicken slaw sliders. Okay, so it gives you a great recipe to for a shredded chicken recipe. Okay, anyway, make sure you don't throw that away. Keep that so you can reference it later. Get the ebook because it has more recipes for shredded meats, all different kinds. Look, it's pretty simple. You got your claws. Just put your hands in the holder and you shred the meat. I think I have another video on this page that shows you exactly how to do that. Look, these have a lifetime guarantee. These are sharp, dude. Be careful. Anyway, if you have a question, shoot me an email, support.grillbeast.com. And I think that's it. Have a great day. Thanks for getting the beast claws from us, and enjoy them when you get them. Later.